Hi, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. If you don't know what Optavia is, I will list the details down below. But today I have a new fueling hack for you. It's what I call air fryer potato skins. The first thing we're going to need is our Optavia sour cream and chive mashed potato fueling. We're also going to be using reduced fat cheddar cheese and bacon bits. So when this is all said and done, I'll tell you exactly how to count this on your 5-in-1 plan. But to get started, we're going to need to first make our mashed potatoes in the microwave. So we add half a cup of cold water, and then our mashed potato fueling. And I'm gonna mix that up well, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 minute and 45 seconds. And in the meantime, while that's cooking in the microwave, I'm going to heat up my Dash Mini waffle maker because we will be using that in this recipe. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stir up our mashed potatoes. And we're gonna divide these into two. We're gonna make two waffles using the mashed potatoes. And I just heated up my Dash Mini waffle maker, and I'm going to spray it with some olive oil spray. So I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. While the first half of my mashed potatoes is waffling in the Dash, I'm going to update you a little bit on what's been going on. I am on day 6 of a 30-day restart. In a previous video, I told you guys that I had been in a rut. With some health issues I had in the fall, the holidays, I took a cruise, and I really needed a hard restart. So in order to get out of a rut, I have been doing a number of things. I stocked up on my fuelings. I am sending my tracker to my coach Ashley every night, and to my friend Mickey, who's doing this with me every night. And I am just doing the things. And now it does kind of feel like I'm back in routine, and I am starting to feel good. When you're on the Optavia 5-in-1, when you get to about day 4 or 5, you get into what we call fat burn. And that's when things really kick in. You start losing weight, you have more energy, I'm sleeping better, and I'm just overall feeling good. So the reason why I'm a little bit dressed up is I am home on my lunch hour. I have also stated in a previous video that I am a prosecutor in the city that I live in. And fortunately for me, I live only about 2 miles away from where I work. So I'm able to come home and do these fueling hacks. All right, let's get this out of the Dash. Okay, that looks good. And now we will respray it and put our second half in. We're gonna put that in for about 5 minutes. Okay, this is ready to come out. All right, this looks good as well. The next step in making the potato skins is to cut each of these in half. And then we're going to place these in my air fryer. And again, I'm using these parchment paper liners, which are just fantastic for easy cleanup. I'm gonna spray the parchment paper, and I'm going to place the potato skins on there. And then I'm gonna give them a little spray. And I'm going to do this in 2 parts. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer at 400 for about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna take it out and put on the cheese and bacon bits. All right, I'm just gonna lift this parchment liner up. It just crisped the waffled mashed potatoes just a little bit. And so now I'm going to, you can see what I'm doing kind of. I'm gonna put the cheese and bacon on the skins. And then this tablespoon of baking bits, I can put a photo up here. I called my coach because I wasn't sure exactly how to count them. But for 1 tablespoon, they have 30 calories and 2.5 grams of fat. And so what she said was that would count as half of a healthy fat. All right, then I'm gonna kind of, oh, these are gonna be good. Put that back in the air fryer, melt the cheese, I think for about 3 minutes, again at 400. All right, let's see what these look like. Oh, they do look good. So the nice thing with the parchment paper is not only does it not create a mess in your air fryer, but then you can just easily slide these onto a plate. You can see what I'm doing here. So I have these potato skins, and this is 1 fueling, half of a healthy fat, and 1/4 of a lean. Now I'm going to use 1 condiment, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of light sour cream. So don't these look amazing? So before I have my amazing air fryer potato skins for my lunch today, let me tell you a little bit about how I'm going to incorporate that into my 5-in-1 plan. So like I said, it's 1 fueling, 1/4 lean, 1/2 of a healthy fat, and 1 condiment. So I have to find somewhere another half of a healthy fat. And so this morning in my coffee, I did a tablespoon and a half of half and half in my coffee. So then that gives me a whole healthy fat for the day. And then now, of course, when I'm planning my lean and green, I have to choose at least a leaner or a leanest as my protein. And what I plan on having is my 96% fat-free ground beef burrito bowl. And how I measure that, so I've used 1/4 lean on the cheese in this fueling hack. So now I can only have 3/4 of a leaner. And so what that amounts to is, with a 96% lean ground beef, it is 4.5 ounces of cooked lean ground beef. And so I'll use that with my 3 cups of cauliflower rice. And then I still have some condiments left for the day. So I will use 1 wedge of Laughing Cow cheese. I'm not sure what kind I'm gonna use. Probably the garlic and herb. I think that would be good. And then my other condiment will be for some Mexican spices. And so then I've had a complete lean and green for my day. I just want to thank you guys for watching this. And please stay tuned. I plan on doing many more recipes for fueling hacks and lean and greens. If you like this video, please like the video below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.